Hello, creative people! Today I'm painting a branch from a lemon tree. But not just any lemon tree. This painting is just inspired by my father's four-season lemon tree in his garden back in Tunisia, my tiny, sunny, beautiful home country. When I lived at home, I thought it was completely normal to have fresh lemons all year long. I picked one without a second thought, add it to my salad or soup or even my tea, and move on with my day. My inspiration for this piece came again from my memories. Seeing huge bright lemons at the vegetable market recently triggered that memory and brought me back to those simpler times. But when I left home to spread my wings, I realized something. That tree was priceless. It wasn't just about the lemons. It was about the abundance and consistency it brought into our lives. It made me reflect on how we often take gifts in our lives for granted, only to realize their value when our environment changes. This thought has stayed with me ever since. It's so easy to overlook the little treasures we have every day, like that lemon tree. And sometimes it takes a big shift to appreciate them fully. That's why I've started a daily reflection practice. I take a moment to think of 3 small things I'm grateful for, even things as simple as being able to turn over in bed or go to the bathroom. Why such small things, you ask? Well, I once experienced a month where I was bedridden and even turning from one side to the other was extremely painful. It made me realize that even these simplest actions can be treasures when we don't have them. Now, let's talk about the tools and techniques I'm using. I'm using uni watercolor pencils from Mitsubishi Pencil. They are such an amazing medium. I love how satisfying it is to see the colors transform as you blend them with water. For my technique, I try to use bright and dark tones when coloring, sometimes layering twice to build depth. When blending, I start from the light areas and work toward the dark ones. For the branches, I experimented by mixing brown, yellow, orange, and green. I love how it gives the piece a unique touch. Thank you for painting along with me today, and I hope this inspires you to create, reflect, and appreciate the beauty around you. This is Suhe from Mommy Has Hobbies. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to follow, like, and write down your thoughts in the comment section. See you the next time. Bye bye.